Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here with a package from Artemystik. I bought something from her Etsy store, but then she said she also included something for me. So I thought it would be fun to just open it for you guys. And I'll leave her link in the description. Yeah. Alright, so Alright, so this is the artwork that I bought from her. It's not a print, it's the original watercolor piece, and I thought it was very pretty. She does this very interesting low poly style art, and it's very cool, and I just loved this piece so much, and I wanted to hang it on my wall. So this is gonna go on my wall, and let's see what else is in here. If it's personal, I'll cut it out. It'll be okay. Oh, look at these cute little things. Ooh, it's little. Is that everything? Okay. Alright, alright. So, look at this. It's pretty. Let's see what's in here. I forgot to close Discord. Sorry, let me do that so you don't hear that. Oops. What is that? Ah! Ooh, pretty. Look at these bracelets. I bet that she made them. That's cool. They're like black. Like my heart. Just kidding. Okay, so there's something in an envelope here. So let's check it out. Wow! Ooh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's a galaxy fox. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna read this, and if she doesn't want me to post it out loud, I'll cut that out. Okay. Dear V, I want to thank you so much for ordering from me. I really hope you will like it and it will add some color to your day. I also want to thank you for being my friend. I haven't had much luck with friendship, so it really means so much. You're an awesome and cool person, and I love your spirit. You're a special part of the universe. I hope that you will have a good day and that many good things will come your way. I wish you many blessings and am sending a hug. Aw, I'm sending a hug back. P.S. I made a couple of bracelets for you. One is obsidian and the other is green serpentine. They are supposed to help with depression and anxiety. Cool. I hope they fit and help. Let's try them on. Where'd they go? They are tiny. Oh yeah, for my tiny wrists. I have very small wrists, unfortunately. Tiny wrists. But yeah, they're good. They're not like giant. Yes. Alright, thank you. I don't normally wear bracelets, but you know, I guess I will because they're from my friend. And I love her. So, thank you so much for sending this to me. Oh, it makes me so happy. Oh yeah, there's another thing. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I forgot it fell out. Oh my gosh. So I am totally obsessed with this super group. It just so happens that I'm actually wearing my shirt right now. Oh no, I'm gonna mess up my thing. Oh no, don't see my messy bed. I'm wearing this shirt. If you don't know who they are, it's Labyrinthia and Diplo, and they made like this supergroup LSD, and their album just released yesterday on the 12th, and I love them so much, and Artemystik loves them too, and so we bond over that, and she made this for me, and I love it so much. I love this. This is so cute. Okay, I love everything. I'm gonna like cut this off of the card part and put it on my wall also. So many things for my wall. It's gonna look so good. Okay. Thank you so much. Sorry I was like off center here, but this is a really small room and it's hard. But yeah. Anyways, thank you so much. I'm so happy, and I'm happy that, you know, you could get, you know, that I could support you also in your art, because you're supporting me in my art. So that's awesome. So just like in every video, I would like to thank my patrons. Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best, and I love you. Thank you so much for supporting me and making my life so happy. If anybody else is interested in my Patreon, the link is below. Anyways, you should definitely check out Artemystik's YouTube. She's awesome. She does super unique styles and has very nice music playing that sometimes she makes. It's very cool. Alright. I don't know why it's focusing weird, but okay. Bye everyone. Hope you're having a good day, because I sure am.